Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be doing my very belated birthday haul. I have this whole huge box of stuff from Ulta, and also my Sephora order is in here, and we will be just going over what I got. Over everything from Sephora in my last video, but I will go over it again just in case you forgot. I did get the Natasha Denona Tropic palette because it was on sale. These are the colors right here. It is super summery and beautiful, and so far I am loving the quality of this. I would definitely say I don't regret the $65 price tag, but I don't know that I would pay $129 for this. I don't know that it's worth that much money. I have to keep playing with it to let you know. And then I also got a birthday gift from Sephora. This is the Milk makeup gift with a blush, a mascara, and a primer sample. So I already know I don't want to use this because this primer is aloe based and I am sensitive to aloe. I also bought, I bought the mini of this mascara, so I might throw this in my giveaway box because I wanted to purchase this again to see if it's as good as I remember it. And this transfers and smudges like crazy. I don't remember it doing that, but that's what it's doing this time around, and I do not like using this just because it's transferring and smudging like crazy. Maybe it's the summer heat, but I'm not really a fan of this mascara anymore. And then lastly we have the blush, which is a lip and cheek in Work, and this I don't know, it's pretty, but it's just not really a summer shade, so I'm not really using it. It's more of like a fall shade, so I'm pretty sure I'll pull it out more towards September time, but it seems like a pretty nice formula. It really shears out a lot, and I do enjoy a light creamy blush, so we'll see what I think of it. And that was pretty much it from Sephora. Then, oh wait, one more thing from Sephora. I also got the Bronze and Glow, which I'm wearing it as my bronzer today. I don't know if you can tell. I'm still trying to figure out the lighting situation for my new setup, so I might be a little washed out. I'm not sure, but this is the Bronze and Glow, and it has a highlighter and a bronzer. The highlighter, unfortunately, I've tried to make it work. It is too dark for me. And the bronzer is kind of a blushy bronzer hybrid, so I'm not sure how I feel about it right now, but it was less than $20, so not out too much money if I'm not in love with it. But I don't know, what do you guys think of this as a bronzer? Let me know in the comments down below. And then I did get a birthday gift from my friend Mary. She got me a couple items from Nabla because I said I'd never tried the brand and I wanted to try them. I got the Cutie palette in Platinum, which is this gorgeous cool toned palette. And honestly, I am obsessed with the shimmer formula in here. These shimmers are so stunning. Like, oh my god, look at that. And I just want to cover my body in these shimmers. Honestly, I would love to have more Cutie palettes if this is truly representative of their eyeshadow formula. Like, this is bomb. I also got from Mary the Dreamy Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I don't know if Dreamy is the shade or if Dreamy is the name of the formula. Let me see. Unspoken is the shade, so I guess Dreamy is the name of the formula, and it's this really pretty wine color. I'm really excited to pull this out and use this during fall. The formula does seem really nice for a liquid lipstick. That's what it looks like right there, and The packaging is so cute with all the constellations. Oh my god, I love it. I also placed an order for Ulta for my birthday, but I also did get a PR package from my friend Patricia Sprinkles. She has a brand, Sprinkles Beauty. And so I just want to show you that stuff really quick. So there is a lash serum, which I still need to try out, but I do love lash serums, so I'm excited to give this a try. And then this body glitter, which is a really unique blue shade. I'm really excited about this. The only thing is this sprayer, like, can you see that? It just squirts. So it's I don't know if I got a defective nozzle or if it's not a very good nozzle, but it doesn't have a very good mist on it, so I haven't really used it too much because it doesn't have a good mist. But I do want to play with it some more because it looks really beautiful. And then some glosses. The shade names aren't on the glosses, but they are really unique shades. There's this purple one, this green one, and this like rose gold one, which is my favorite one, and I've been wearing it on top of lip liner a lot. It's not what I'm wearing today. Today I'm wearing a Wet n Wild like shiny lipstick over a lip liner, but I do love the lip gloss formula, and they're super affordable, so I will have Sprinkles of Beauty. I think it's called Sprinkles of Beauty. Maybe it's Beauty of Sprinkles. I don't know. I get confused. But I will have them linked down below. They have an Etsy shop and their Instagram I will have linked down below so you can check them out. Now on to the big Ulta order. So first of all, I got the Black Opium perfume. I actually got a gift card from my mom so I could get this because I stayed at a hotel with her for my birthday, and it got left at the hotel and never to be seen again. So this is a replacement for me. I love this scent. This is such a good scent. This is it right here. It's like coffee and let me just spray it. Ooh, it just smells so mature and sophisticated and sexy. I just really love Black Opium so much. So I'm super glad to have that back in my collection. Then I got a couple of the new palettes from Yeouth Cosmetics, the Avocado Toast and the Mimosa palette. I'm actually wearing the Mimosa palette on my eyes today. I put the Yellow Sunny in my inner corner area, and then Guava in the crease and outer corner, and Pop in the center, and pretty simple quick eye look. But I really love the fun colors. It makes me think of a more condensed like Jaclyn Hill 2 palette and a bit more like pastel, but I don't know if you guys see like those vibes in this palette, and I did like that palette, but I didn't like how huge it was, so I'm glad to have a more condensed version of that color story. And then the Avocado Toast palette is like an olivey green palette, and I love me some greens, so I'm super excited to have this palette, and it looks like a great color story for fall, so I'm really excited about that. I do love the BH quality. I think their quality is so top-notch. And then I got a headband from the Cream Shop. This is the Hello Kitty, I forget, like unicorn headband. It just velcros like this, and it's good for like when you're doing your makeup or your skincare and you want to keep your hair out of your face without like denting it at all. I really have been having this on my save for later list for like a year, and I finally sprung and got it for my birthday because I told myself, you have enough headbands, you don't need that, but I love it. I also got a mini of the Bad Gal Bang mascara, which is what I'm wearing on my lashes today. I love this mascara as much as I remember loving it. I think this is still my #1 mascara. I wanted to try it out again and see if I loved it as much as I remembered it, just like I wanted to try the Milk again. And this one volumizes, lengthens, and stays all day. Like, it's one of those mascaras that's hard to take off at the end of the day, which I appreciate because I don't want my mascara flaking and coming off throughout the day. So I still really love this, and I probably won't even go through the mini because I never go through mascaras. I just let them go bad because I don't wear makeup that often. But I'm super glad to have this in my collection again, and it has one of those spiky wands, which I absolutely adore. Those are my favorite type of wands, so I'm really glad I bought this again. And then I got two primers. I got the Dream Beam Glow from Makeup Revolution and the High Beauty Hydrating Face Primer from Essence. I'm still testing these out. I don't know how I feel either way about these. The Essence one feels nice, but I've had some trouble with patchiness with foundation when wearing this under foundation, so I don't know whether it's the foundation or the primer. I need to test it some more. And then this one has a scent to it, which I'm really not a fan of scents in my face products. So not the biggest fan of it right now, but I still need to play with it and see how my skin reacts to it with the fragrance in it. So I'm excited to expand my primer collection with those. And then I also got a sample of the YSL Mon Paris perfume. So there's that. Cool. And I got the Essence Make Me Brow to replace my NYX Brow Mascara because I realized I'd had my NYX Brow Mascara for over a year, so it needed to go because that is way too old. And I've heard great things about this one, so I wanted to try this one. And I have to say, I think I like the NYX one better, but that might be just because it's what I'm used to, so I'm gonna keep playing with this one. It is nice. It is pretty much the same color, but I don't notice that it adds like any more fluffiness or anything like it's supposed to. Like, I see the fibers on the brush, but I don't see them in my brows, if that makes sense. And then I also got the Maybelline Glass Spray, which I haven't really played with, but I did test it, and like, it has like a nice mist. Like, that is a nice fine mist. I wish this body spray had a mist like that. And I'm excited to test another dewy setting spray because I love the Catrice dewy one, but I'm always finding that one's out of stock, so maybe this one is a good alternative for when that one's out of stock, even though this is a bit pricier because it's Maybelline. I got a foundation and concealer. I got the NYX Born to Glow concealer, and my shade is in, where's it? Vanilla. And it has one of those sponge tip applicators, like the Age Rewind, except you squeeze it instead of twist it. And I don't know that I'm the biggest fan of this concealer. Angelica Nyquist was raving about it, so I wanted to pick it up and give it a try, and it might be too sheer for my liking. Like, I like a medium coverage to a full coverage concealer, and this might just be a little too light coverage for me. And then I got the Pacifica A Light Foundation. My shade is 37WL, and I don't know how I feel about this one either. I've tried it a couple of times and not had the best luck with it. I want to try it some more and give it a really good go with different primers and application methods and stuff, because this is the foundation that was patching up when I used this primer, and I don't know whether it's the primer or the foundation. This also did, when I used 2 pumps to try and get more coverage, look really cakey when I used 2 pumps. So I'm gonna have to really play with this one and see how I best like to use it, but I've heard such good things about it. I really wanted to give it a go, especially since it was on sale. But I'm not loving it yet. And then I also got 2 more items. I got the So Extra Chai Latte Duo from Yeouth Cosmetics. It's a lip gloss duo that has caffeinated and extra foam. And extra foam is this really pretty peachy glittery sheer gloss. And then caffeinated is this mauve toned, more pigmented creamy gloss. And they do have another duo with like a clear one and a red one that I want to get as well because I really like this formula. But at the same time, like, these are so thick and chunky, like they're not gonna fit in my lip organizers, so I kind of don't want more because they're gonna be hard for me to store. But I really do like them. They feel so nice on the lips, and they have a nice big doe foot applicator. Last but not least, I picked up the Freeman Manuka Honey and Tea Tree Oil Mask. This has been raved about by my friend Ashley. I will have her channel linked down below. She has acne prone skin and I've been having some breakouts lately, and she says this is her favorite mask for her acne prone skin, so I've been wanting to try it. I haven't tried it yet, but it sounds really promising and it was really affordable, so I'm really excited to give it a go. So that was everything I picked up for my birthday. I know it's a bit delayed. I haven't really played with anything too much because I've been keeping it all in the box. So I remembered to do this haul video for you guys, and I will be doing some more videos soon, so look forward to that. I'm so sorry I've been so absent. I've just been going through a lot with moving and things in life, and maybe I will do a video updating you on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.